Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the keyboard theme as well as how you can set a custom keyboard theme on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to do this, we need to open the settings, scroll all the way down, and go to additional settings. Over here, go to languages and input, then manage keyboards, and choose Gboard. Then over here, go to theme, and over here you will find some pre-made themes that you can use, that you can download and use. If you like one of these, then you can simply download them and apply, and there we go, you have a new theme. However, if you want to create your own, then you can do that by choosing this plus button under My Themes section. If you do this, then you can use one of your photos that you have on your device, and then make them as the background for the keyboard. Of course, you can pinch to scale and drag to move in order to readjust the picture. And after that, once you are done, what you need to do is simply press next. Then you can adjust the brightness of the picture so you can make it darker so that the keys are more visible if needed. Then you can press done. You can enable and disable key borders. You can set the name, or actually not the name. You can go back to editing if needed. You can remove it over here by pressing this trash icon, and you can press apply. And there we go, we have a new theme for our keyboard and a custom one. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.